Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use the best seeds in Minecraft for beginners. So to use a Minecraft seed, you must enter a specific string of numbers or letters during the world creation process. So go to single player and create new world. And this is where you can click on create new world. You can go to more world options, and this is where you can simply go ahead and write a seed. So you can leave blank for a random seed, but there are a couple of seeds that you can generate which are absolutely perfect. There are presets like coastal village, so capital COASTAL and space capital VILLAGE. Keep in mind capitalization does change everything. So I'm gonna simply go ahead and create a new world, and as you can see, this is gonna go ahead and generate a different biome. I'm just gonna go ahead and try to change to game mode creative and show you around if there are any villages here. So coastal village should appear anywhere around here, but this is one of the best biomes that you can play on, because as you can see, there's so much trees here. There's cave to farm, there's also mountain tops to farm, there's the water, there's so much animals to farm. So this is a pretty good world as well, which you can play along on. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.